Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to import and export media into iMovie. There's a couple different ways you can import media into iMovie, but I'm going to show you the way that I would do it, which I feel is the most organized and fastest way to do it. Now you can either come up here to the media section and right click and create a new event. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it dance video for this. And select it and click import here, or you can go to your projects, create a new project, select either the event that you created, or you can create a new event in here as well, and then click import media. Now by default it will open up to your desktop and you can select media off of there, but if you're importing media off of a thumb drive or an SD card from your camera, it'll show up under devices and you can select the media off of those as well. But I'm going to import some videos off of my desktop. You can import multiple video files or photo files by holding down the command key on your keyboard and selecting them. But I'm just going to select one for this and click import. It'll show up right here, and you can scrub through it by hovering your mouse cursor over it to see what's in the video clip. And you can drag it down here to your timeline to edit it. Once you're done editing it, you come up to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the share button. Now iMovie has a cool feature where you can automatically upload it to different platforms like YouTube or Facebook or Vimeo. If you're just planning on uploading it to YouTube, you can click on this, sign into your YouTube account, and it'll do everything for you. You can choose your resolution. You can name it here, like dance video. You can choose the description of it and the tags where it will show up on YouTube as well. And you can choose your privacy settings as well if you want it to be unlisted or public or private. But I'm going to show you, if you plan on exporting it for multiple different platforms, I would just come here to File, and by default it'll choose a resolution that your video is recorded in. You can select it and either make it higher or lower resolution if it gives you the option. For quality, if you're planning on uploading it to YouTube or Facebook, I would leave it on high quality. If you go to best, which is Apple ProRes, it'll just make your file size significantly larger, which will ramp up the export times and the upload times of your video. I would use best quality if you are planning on just having it on your computer for yourself. Under compression, I would put it on better quality. This will make it export a little bit slower, but your video will come out a little more, have a little more quality in it when you export it. For format, I would choose video and audio. Obviously, you can choose to export it with audio only if you want to do that, and you can also change the tags and the description of it as well and the name of it. So I'm going to name it dance video for this. Once you have all your settings how you like them, you can click next on here and choose where you want it to export to. I'm going to select desktop. You can choose whatever you want, and it'll come up with the name. If you want to change the name, you can do it here as well, and then click save. Now once it's done with that, you'll see the circle show up here at the top right corner of your screen next to the share button, and that's basically showing the progress of the export. As you can see, it's starting here, and once it's done, it'll be fully exported and you'll find it on your desktop.